The iPhone 17 Air is shaping up to be Apple's most daring design move in years. Imagine a phone so sleek it makes your current iPhone feel chunky. Rumors suggest it'll be 20% thinner than the iPhone 6. That's just 5.5 millimeters thick, closer to a credit card than a smartphone. But how is Apple pulling this off, and what are the trade-offs? Let's dive in. First up, the design. Apple's ditching the glass back for a lightweight aluminum unibody, a throwback to the iPhone 6 era. But here's the twist, wireless charging might still work. Aluminum usually blocks charging coils, but leaks hint Apple's found a workaround. If true, it's a genius blend of nostalgia and cutting-edge tech. Now, the camera. Forget the square module, the 17 Air might feature a horizontal camera bar stretching across the entire top edge. It's a radical shift from Apple's usual style, but leaked molds back it up. Expect a 48MP main sensor with computational zoom, though don't count on pro-level lenses. Thinness comes at a cost. The display is where things get exciting. The 17 Air could finally retire 60Hz screens, packing a 6.6-inch 120Hz ProMotion OLED panel, the same as the iPhone 16 Pro. That means silky smooth scrolling and flagship brightness. Plus, a 24MP front camera upgrades your selfie game. But the dynamic island isn't going anywhere. Love it or hate it, it's sticking around. Flip the phone over and things get quirky. The USB-C port is off-center, pushed closer to the back, likely to save space. Even crazier? Rumors say there's only one speaker hidden in the earpiece with no bottom grills. Stereo sound might be sacrificed for that razor-thin profile. Is it worth it? Apple seems to think so. Under the hood, the A19 chip and 8GB of RAM will power Apple's AI features, ensuring smooth performance. But the real star is efficiency. Apple's new C1 5G modem and in-house Wi-Fi chips promise 20 to 25% better battery life, critical for a phone this slim. Pair that with a high-density battery, and Apple might just nail all-day endurance. So why is Apple obsessed with thinness? Simple, the Plus model flopped, and the Mini was too niche. The 17 Air is their answer. A mid-tier standout blending portability and premium specs. Priced around $900 to $1,000, it's not cheap. But it's no pro either. Think of it as the iPhone 5's spiritual successor. Bold, different, and designed to turn heads. Of course, skeptics will question the compromises. No SIM tray, potential speaker downgrades, and a camera that's good but not great. But for those tired of incremental updates, the 17 Air feels like a risk worth taking. It's Apple breaking the mold, and that's exciting. So, would you buy an iPhone thinner than a pencil? Let us know in the comments. And if you're hyped for Apple's 2025 lineup, stay tuned. We've got a breakdown of the even wilder iPhone 17 Pro coming next. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button and subscribe to stay ahead of the tech curve. See you in the next one.